Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This video discuss about type of journals. Okay, before seeing that, we discuss these 3 points in this video. What is meant by journal, type of journal based on access, comparisons between the different type of journals. Okay, so if you are not subscribed to my channel, means please subscribe to my channel. If you are not subscribed to my channel, okay, then only you can get more videos regarding related to research activities. So thanks. I would like thank to all the viewers and subscriber to view and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks everyone. So go to video. First question is, what is meant by journal? Journal is a journal that publishes article authored by scientists, researchers, and any industrial persons. They are following in a certain field of study who report on the finding of research. Okay, so sophisticated advanced, which means the article are often for more sophisticated and advanced than those available in popular periodical. Okay, already there are a lot of papers, research work have been done by any researchers from the existing research. The researcher or scientist or any specialized persons are will be conducting the research in their existing work for enhancing the existing work. Okay, that is the result of the research will be made as a document which is published in the journal. Okay, so the result of research in topic of study covered by the journal are published in a research journal. The systematic and extensive examination of specific problem or issues, sometimes incorporating experimental or survey, that is reflected in a research article. Okay, so next one is type of papers. There are many papers types are available in journals. So the type of research article, review article. Research article means the experimental result are conducted in that particular paper is called research articles. The review article means there are many papers published. Those published paper collected by the author and summarized into the research finding, challenges, research gap, etc. Okay. So short communication means if you have any idea about any future of research or any work, that will be converted, or experimental result will be converted to short communication to the editor. Letter to editor means some idea will be converted into letter which will be sent to the editor. Book reviews, same as review articles. This will be collecting many books and conducting the reviews about the books. That book review will be also collecting the research finding, existing or drawback of existing research work, future enhancements, like that. Case studies, the particular field of problems will be discussed in one single paper and many more. Okay, so third one is type of journal based on access. This is very important thing, because whenever researcher or scientist planning to choosing the journal for publishing their work, this will be very important thing, because there are many types for reading and accessing the papers. So here in this video I am discussing the types of journal based on access, which means there are three types of access. Okay, open access, which means open access means if you are sending to your paper for open access journal means the open access means if you are choosing the journal as an open access, the author will be paid for some amount for the publishing your paper. Okay, uh, as well as similarly the reader, which means if you are needed to referring in particular paper means you no need to pay the money for accessing the paper. Okay, so second one is subscription model. This is the second one. The subscription is obtained by the any institution or any funding agencies for reading or downloading the paper. Okay, if you are when you are sending your paper, if you are choosing the subscription journal means you no need to pay any publication cost by the author, which means prepared author. Okay, so hybrid means That journal will be accepting both open access or subscription model, either open access or subscription model. If you are choosing the open access model when you are submitting your paper, you need to pay some amount. Otherwise, if you are choosing the subscription model, you no need to pay some amounts. Okay, so here two difference you need to know very well. First one is author. Who published the paper means called the author. That person will be sending to paper for particular journal for publishing their research work. Okay, second one is reader. Reader means if you are collecting the review papers, that is called reader. They will need to some pay the amount for subscription model journals. Okay, suppose they will accessing the open access means no need to pay some amount. Okay, the hybrid model is combine of these two things. Okay, so some comparisons I showing as a comparative table: open access versus subscription based journals. Okay, some property I mentioning. So open access and subscription model also discussed. First property is access. A reader can access freely, easily and freely. When you are choosing the open access journal means, when choosing the subscription channel means journal means reader needed to pay charges for access. Okay, charges: article processing charge paid by the author after acceptance of the manuscript or research paper, and same thing the paid by reader or institution for the subscription model. In open access model journal, visibility of the open access journal model paper is very high because the open access journal, whoever can access the your paper for reading. Okay, in term of subscription model journal is very low because visibility is very low because some of the author don't have accessing there, don't have show some. So I show some example for open access and the subscription and the hybrid model. Okay, we go for video. Okay, so I'm showing the example for type of journal. First one is open access. This is an open access journal, so you can publish in paper as an open access, but you know no need to pay the publication cost. Okay, here is a very important thing: some of the journal even having open access options, they will not collecting any publication cost from the author, and also the paper will be freely downloaded by the reader. Okay, so some of the open access journal collecting publication cost and freely the paper will be accessed by the reader. Okay, second one is expert system with application. This journal is having two options for publishing the paper. One is open access and the subscription model. This is called a hybrid model. So if you are choosing the open access means you need to pay some amount for this. Okay, otherwise if you are choosing a subscription means you no need to pay by the author for publication cost. When you are downloading the paper from this journal, if the paper will be published by the open access means you can easily download it freely. Otherwise you can give the some amount for reading the paper, which means you need to obtain subscriptions. Okay, the second one is intelligent data analysis. This is an paid journal. Okay, and same time subscription model. Okay, some of the journal here is the very important thing. Some of the journal is the publication cost will be paid by the author, and same time the reader also pay the some amount for the downloading the paper. Okay,